In this video, we'll show you how to save multiple WhatsApp images at once on WhatsApp for PC. So as you can see, I have a bunch of images that I want to save. Now, if you are seeing images in a group like this, you can simply click on this down arrow and then select this save all option. Now, all you have to do is select the folder where you want to save the image and your images will be saved at once. However, if you are seeing images that are scattered like this, it's also possible to save them at once. So all you have to do is click on this arrow next to the image and then click on select. Now simply go ahead and select all the images that you want to save. So I'll just select these. Now click on this copy icon here. Now open File Explorer on your PC and head to the folder where you want to save the image. So I'll just create a new folder for this and then right click here and then select paste. So all the images will be saved here at once. So as you can see, these are all the images that we wanted to save. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.